Automation is something we hear about all the time. Everything from robots building cars to being able to automate, controlling the temperature in your house via your thermostat. All these are examples of automation. Automation is really a way to be able to take a task or function and have it be accomplished without human intervention. This is super, super relevant and great for repetitive and monotonous tasks. So if you think about what you're doing within your business, if you're in IT and you're out there counting IP addresses or, you're doing things that are extremely repetitive and mind-numbing, those are perfect examples of the kinds of things that you can automate. In addition, it also increases speed. It allows you to be able to move faster because if you can automate it, that means you don't have to have individuals in a serial fashion accomplish those same things. You can basically run these things extremely fast and be able to provide that service or that function that you're trying to drive in a much quicker way. In addition, automation doesn't take a day off. If you write a good script, it doesn't need to have a sick day. So it's a very good thing. You can have this thing running in the middle of the night when you should be sleeping or when you're able to go out on a date with your significant other. These kind of things are things that absolutely are great for the home life. In addition, automation is a foundational building block of cloud. I can't stress this enough. Cloud really gets its value out of being able to automate many of these different functions. It's all about trying to get time back. When you think about what the business is expecting of us as IT professionals, it's expecting us to be able to innovate and drive new capabilities to better serve our customers. That's something that can happen only when you have the ability to be able to focus on it, and automation gives you time back. Orchestration is another concept. So we talked about automation. That's all about single tasks. Orchestration is really the ability to be able to coordinate and direct the automated process. This is really represents the brains behind cloud. This takes all those different workflows we talked about before and allows you to be able to drive intelligence into your process. This is, again, the brains behind cloud. You use this to be able to translate those complex workflows into templates. We talked before about templates and standardizations and the crucial aspect of that from a cloud perspective. This is where you do that through the orchestration process. In addition, you're able to tie business logic directly to the technology. And ultimately, that's where orchestration comes into play in much more of an important way than just the technology itself. It's about really leveraging what it is the business is trying to accomplish and mapping the technology to it.